The more you move your body, the more you can eat your cravings. Good morning everyone. So this is half marathon sub 2 week 1 session 3 training. Takbo tayo 14 kilometers. Let's go. 3K, 7K, 11K. Static guys. 12K mapandaan. Woo! Okay, 14 kilometers is done. Sagutin natin yung tanong last session about sa 500 calorie surplus na hindi ko ginamit or hindi ko nagalaw. Pag naka-carbo loading kasi tayo, fini-fill in natin yung glycogen sa katawan. Glycogen is the fuel tank of our body. Now, yung 500 calorie surplus na hindi mo nagamit, yun ngayon yung natira sa glycogen, which is now the stored energy within 48 hours. Pag hindi mo siya na-burn within that certain time, your stored energy will be converted into fats. Anong lesson? The more you move your body, the more you can eat your cravings. Sir, ano nga ba yung calorie na yan na lagi kong naririnig kapag pinapasok ko yung fitness era? Okay? Sagutin natin to our next sessions. Good morning. Have a good day.